The treehouse that once echoed with the laughter of young Princes William and Harry has been lovingly restored, breathing new life into a cherished childhood retreat at Highgrove. Nestled among King Charles's legendary gardens, this enchanting hideaway symbolizes both royal history and the preservation of traditional craftsmanship. Its recent makeover honors not only a family legacy but also the enduring value of heritage skills. Built in 1988 for a young Prince William and Prince Harry, the treehouse at Highgrove was designed to be a sanctuary for playful adventures and royal imagination. Dubbed Holyrood House as a nod to the Palace of Holyrood House, its unique design took inspiration from the holly tree it was constructed around, featuring a holly leaf-shaped door and a rope ladder for the princes to hoist themselves into their private haven. At the time, William, 6, and Harry, 4, played in the house as their parents, King Charles, then Prince Charles, and Princess Diana, resided at Highgrove. The charming structure, now a piece of royal nostalgia, recently underwent a much-needed refurbishment led by master thatcher Ben Collins, an alumnus of the King's Foundation Building Craft Program. The restoration involved replacing the thatch roof with coned wheat reeds secured by hazel spars, ensuring the treehouse's durability while preserving its historic charm. The renovation process not only renewed a symbol of the prince's childhood but also celebrated the traditional craft of thatching, a dying art form championed by the King's Foundation. Collins, who credits the program with launching his career, described the opportunity to work on the treehouse as an honor. His meticulous work is a testament to the program's mission to preserve heritage skills for future generations. Highgrove Gardens, a passion project of King Charles since he purchased the estate in 1980, reflects his dedication to conservation and sustainability. Over the decades, the gardens have become a living masterpiece, welcoming visitors on public tours that raise funds for the King's Foundation's charitable initiatives. The treehouse, a highlight of these tours, has evolved into more than a childhood relic. It serves as a reminder of the King's commitment to education and craftsmanship. It has even been adapted for a new generation, with updates made for Prince George in 2015, ensuring its legacy as a royal playground continues. The King's Foundation, inspired by King Charles's vision, not only supports traditional crafts like thatching but also spearheads initiatives in education, health, and community revitalization. With its building craft program providing hands-on training in heritage skills, the foundation empowers individuals to preserve the nation's historic built environment. The treehouse restoration is a perfect embodiment of this mission, demonstrating how education and craftsmanship intertwine to safeguard the past while inspiring the future. The refurbished treehouse at Highgrove stands as a symbol of continuity, connecting the childhood memories of Princes William and Harry to the future adventures of their children. As King Charles continues to nurture his estate and champion traditional skills through the King's Foundation, the treehouse reflects his enduring passion for heritage, family, and craftsmanship. For visitors to Highgrove Gardens, it offers a glimpse into royal history while celebrating the timeless artistry of those dedicated to preserving it.